Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Cosmo 2024 competition. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Narito na ang updated ranking for Miss Cosmo 2024 for the People's Choice, the Big Bang 3rd station. And now, let's have our top 6 highest ranking on votes. We have our top 6 Miss Cosmo Cambodia with 171,965 votes. And of course, for our top 5, we have Miss Cosmo Vietnam with 314,685 votes. For our top 4 on the list, we have Miss Cosmo Indonesia with 519,620 votes. And of course, pangatlo naman po sa listahan ang Miss Cosmo Philippines with 682,570 votes. And of course, we have Thailand with 806,795 votes for the number 2 spot. And our leading and number 1 is Miss Cosmo Tanzania with 843,475 votes. This is updated as of now, October 4 at 10:30 p.m. Please continue to support our very own Maria Atisa Manalo Miss Cosmo Philippines and keep on voting dahil bukas na po ang Grand Coronation Night ng Miss Cosmo 2024 competition. Again, sa pinagsamang tatlong station, kung sino ang pinakamataas ng boto will automatically part of the top 10 finalists ng Miss Cosmo. Kaya't patuloy po nating suportahan si Maria Atisa Manalo at nang makuha natin ang secure spot ng top 10. Again, maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nag-subscribe dito sa aking channel dahil marami po tayong ibibigay na mga updates. Magkita po tayong muli sa susunod na video.